Hi, in this video, let's see how to use the product name for image title and image alt text. I have a couple of WooCommerce products here, and if we open one of them, each of these products have an image in the product description, and I also have an image added as a product image and the product gallery. Now our goal is to use the product title, which is essential men's jeans in this example, for the attributes of these images. To do that, I'll be using the plugin Image Attributes Pro, which I've installed on this website. I'll go to Settings, Image Attributes Pro, and I'll head over to the Bulk Updater Settings tab. And here we have options to update each of the image attributes. If I scroll down to image title settings, there is an option to use a custom attributes, which is what I'll be using today. I'll use the custom attribute post title, which is the title of the product, and to demonstrate in this example, I'll be using I'll add a random number to the end of it. I'll do the same for image alt text, and I'll add a number to the end of it. And there is another choice for the bulk updater behavior, and this one right now is set to preserve existing attributes, but for this example I'll make sure that all the existing attributes are overwritten. So let's say if your website have a few of the attributes already set to the values you like and you want to keep that, then it's better to use the third option for the bulk updater behavior, which will preserve existing attributes. Now for this example, we'll just look at image title and image alt text. You can do the same for caption and description. Save the settings, and then I'll go to bulk updater and I'll run the bulk updater. It will take a minute to cycle through all the images. Now the bulk updater is done. If we go back to our products and let's open one of the products here, you can see if we go to the text view, you'll see that the title of the image is the same that we have set in the settings, and the alt text is also the same. For the product image and the image from the product gallery, we can go to the media library. I think these two are the images. You can already see that the title of the image is set to the title of the product and the number we set, and you will see that same in the alt text of both these images. Alright, so that's how to use the product title as image attributes for WooCommerce products. I will link to the plugin in the description box. I hope this was useful. Thank you for watching. Bye.